Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the screen capture function in XAMN. The screen capture function can be found in the menu bar. If you click on the capture icon, you will have the option to either capture a video or take a screenshot of what is shown on your screen. Let's look at the first option, which is the video recording function. The video recording function is useful if you want to show how you get to certain data in XAMN. As you can see from this pop-up window, you have a predefined recording area, which is surrounded by an orange outline. Anything within the orange box will be recorded. You can also move or resize the capture area according to what you would like to record. To start recording, simply click on the Start Recording button. But before I do that, let's look at some other options we have here. Firstly, you can choose to define a capture area. If you click on this button, you will be prompted to select an area which you would like to record. Next, we have the Set Capture Area to Full Screen option. Selecting this option will allow you to record your whole screen without having to define a capture area. We also have 3 video recording qualities which we can choose from. You can choose more than one quality at a time. Obviously, the higher the quality of the recording, the more space it will take up on your storage drive. The last option would be to set the save at location of your recording. I suggest saving your files to a location where you can easily find them. In my case, I will save my files to a folder called Screen Capture on my desktop. Let me do a short video recording demonstration. In this demonstration, I'm going to define a capture area and select all the 3 video recording qualities. To start recording, simply click on the Start Recording button. And to stop recording, you can hit on Ctrl F12 on your keyboard. I'm just going to activate a few filters so that it can be captured in the recording. I'm now going to stop the recording by hitting on Ctrl F12 on my keyboard. Now let's navigate to the folder where the files are saved in. As I've mentioned earlier, because I've chosen to record in 3 different qualities, I will have 3 video files generated for me. Each file should be of different file sizes because they are of different quality. The video recording will be in a WMV file format, which should be playable on your Windows system using its native player. Let me just play back one of the videos in Windows Media Player. This was the video which was recorded earlier. Next, let's look at the screenshot function. Simply click on Capture and click on the Screenshot option. There are 2 options here in this Capture Screenshot window. You can either define capture area by clicking on the Drag Area option, or you can set capture area to full screen by clicking on the full screen option. In this case, I will do a full screen capture. So all I have to do is click on full screen and a preview of my screenshot will appear in this capture screenshot window. To save the screenshot, simply click on the save file icon and select the location to save it. Once done, click on the Open Folder link to be taken to the folder where the screenshot was saved. The screenshot will be saved in the PNG file format, which can then be viewed using your default image viewer in Windows. Let me just open this screenshot in Windows default viewer. this was the screenshot which was captured earlier. That's all I have for you. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for tuning in. Goodbye.